Push-up is a great upper body workout, but not if you are doing it wrong. That is why this video will teach you how to do perfect push-ups for better muscle growth. This tutorial is divided into two categories, the posture and the range of motion. The more you correct these two, the better your muscles are going to grow. Let's start with the posture. Your hands should be slightly greater than shoulder width apart. This technique will help you achieve that. Your legs should be very close to each other but not touching each other. Also, the palms should be in line with your shoulder. Balance your lower body with the balls of your feet. Next important posture is the orientation of your elbows. It should be placed at a 45-degree angle from your body. Next posture is your back. It should be straight. In order to achieve that, engage your glutes. Your spine should be straight, so keep your neck in line with your back. The next important parameter is the range of motion. When you go down, make sure your head is in line with the body. Do not hang your head down. Your body should go down very close to the floor, and hanging your head down will restrict it. When you push your body up, make sure your back is straight. The range of motion is greater than you think while pushing your body up. Once you push your body with your elbows, you still have some range of motion left that can be achieved with your shoulders. Make sure you reach that point. This full range of motion can reduce your number of repetitions but can engage your chest, shoulder and tricep muscles to the maximum. This will help you build your muscles very well. This is how you do a perfect push-up for maximum muscle gain. Thanks a lot for watching the video.